welcome back to a new video. So a couple of days ago I went to this like military thrift store thing and I found a couple of those really cool ammo boxes, and I'm a big fan of cool looking boxes and I like to put my stuff in boxes as well, and I just couldn't resist buying a few of these. These cost like $15. So the idea for this specific box is to make like a portable soldering station, and I want to put all of this stuff inside this box. It opens up like this, but I want to be able to open it from the front as well and to have like a little work surface, if you know what I mean. And that's what we're gonna do today. So this is what we're having right now. It opens up just like I want it, and now I need to think of a way to organize those parts inside. I think I'm gonna line it in with a plywood, make like a little compartments and shelves. I want to put a thick, heavy plywood on the bottom to make this thing heavy and prevent it from tipping over. So I'm almost done with this guy. I really like how it comes out. Just a few more things to add and it should be good. One thing I don't like about it is when you open it and this side goes like a little slopey slope, if you know what I mean? And I want it to be like nice and level when it stands on a table. So what I want to do is have a couple magnetic blocks that I can keep inside the box. And when I open this lid, I can just stick them to the side and it should stay in level. This thing, I want to make it magnetic as well. And another thing, I want to add this little cutting mat to this side. And this should look pretty epic. Strange enough, the jigsaw is actually the best thing to cut the cutting mat. Who would have known? Well, I'm finally done with this build. It took me a lot more time than I thought it's gonna take, but I'm very happy with the result. Actually, I think this might be one of the coolest things I made so far. And let's see what we have here. So it opens up from the side like this. And as soon as you open it, the side panel comes out. And the side panel acts like a little work area. Then you take the magnetic piece of ply, and this guy is actually a support for the work area. Here we have the standard clamp for soldering. It is magnetic as well. It can be put anywhere on the box. Nice and simple. Then we have the main compartment. Sits inside the box. You can take it out if you want to, but here I have my soldering iron. It fits like very nice in this little clamp I made. It doesn't fall out and it's not too hard to take it out. There is no way it's gonna fall out when I can put this thing upside down and nothing is gonna fall out. Then I have just a standard bottle of propane for my soldering iron. Here I have one of my favorite multi-tools, the Leatherman Wingman. Really useful, saved my life so many times, love this thing. And here I have a little thing that holds my wire strippers. These can save you so much time, oh my god. The best. Also here I have two little shelves, one filled with different size of shrink tubing, and the second one holds things like electrical tape, some extra soldering thing, like a lighter, cable twisters, and stuff like that. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna give you a couple of close-ups and let me know what you think. I think it's pretty goddamn cool. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, it helps a lot. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.